Welcome to BCA School. Step 1. Open Visual Studio Installer. Click Modify button and wait, still getting things ready. And select ASP.NET and Web Development section. Then hit the Modify button to download. Wait until download completed. After downloaded, hit the Launch button to open Visual Studio 2022. Now we create our first .NET web application. Hit to create a new project. Now select ASP.NET Web Application with .NET Framework. And hit the Next button. Then set our first application name and save location. Select Empty section. Follow along with me as we create your first Hello Moon application in ASP.NET. That's it for today. You've learned how to set up an ASP.NET project in Visual Studio 2022 and our first web app. Stay tuned for more tutorials on building and deploying web applications. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.